Well, I had suffered a life-changing knee injury, and upon my attempt to return to work, I felt like my position was being held hostage unless I did things that I knew were against my rights, my legal rights. I felt sure that you can't force me to do things that my doctor says I can't do, and then threaten my position because I can't do them. So I called an attorney.
People think I'm going to do everything right, I'm going to try and get back to work, I'm going to go to my appointments, I'm going to work real hard, and that I'll be treated right. And unfortunately, that's not always the case. You can do everything right, and an insurance company whose job it is to pay you as little as possible will do everything that they can to find a way to cut off your claim.
She would try to tear down my self-esteem and make me feel really bad. And I think the general idea was to make me so miserable that I would quit.
And then they treated her like she was some sort of criminal. They intentionally insulted her, they made her life as difficult as possible, and she was doing everything that you should do.
Personally, I liked a smaller law firm. A lot of people go for the big ones that have these, these huge commercials and billboards, but I found that I got more attention to my case, and he could remember me and what specific things I was going through being a small law firm and having that personalized touch.
Everything in your claim can go really smoothly, but it's a good idea to have somebody on your side for when they do hit that bump in the road. Or sometimes as a deterrent, just so the insurance company knows that they can't try and do these things to you. And if you're in a position to know what your rights are, you're going to be better off at the end.
I highly recommend calling this law firm in Adam Smith. I made a call, I told him what was going on, and he made things happen.